Hello, my name is Igna, this is my wife Erika, we are the founder of HairPop Man, the future of barbering.
Erika and Ignacio created HairPop Man to change the pace of barbering in the 21st century. Through their years of experience beginning from the year 2001, they created a popular hair system that is technologically innovative and easy to use. Their extensive experience has made HairPop what it is today, and we work with passion and determination for success and with franchising opportunities. Erika and Igna are here to help you create your own success story and/or find your passion in barbering. HairPop is a concept of originality. It is testing the boundaries of barbering by combining style and a unique approach to men's cutting and shaving. The modern, open-plan and bright salons create a welcoming environment that associates with the quality of the business and the personality of the founders. The specialized POP system is completely technological, automatic, and all-inclusive for franchisees. They offer TNF coding technology to help manage stores. Everything can be answered, between how they greet clients upon entry to using their point-of-sale system. Get step-by-step instructions with informative, easy-to-understand videos. And lastly, a manual is provided to break down all processes and steps that any member of staff might need. Whether it be managerial, barber training, or financial advice and support. This helps manage and ensure that your business is successful. Elevate your lifestyle with HairPop Man.